good morning. It's Ralph here, Ralph K. Dean, bringing you another trade brought to you by my RKD Disciplindicator, my Disciplindicator, your essential FX trading indicator. Now, this is an indicator I've used for many years in my trading. I'm a professional FX trader. I'm giving this indicator away. I'm giving all my indicators away, and I'm giving away my method absolutely free. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, like the video, leave your email address at the bottom or a comment, leave any comment or email me direct, and I will send you all this stuff absolutely free. Right, now this is a continuation video from my last video on trading the sentiment index. Right, now on Monday, the retail traders, this represents what the retail traders are doing. This indicator is taken from all the major brokers, and we can see currently 61% of retail traders, known as the herd, are selling, 39% are buying. Now on Monday, even more people were selling on Monday. I was convinced that they had it wrong. On Tuesday, even more traders were selling. Again, I was certain they had it wrong. Wednesday the same. People may well have a lot of choppy action on Wednesday, so some people may have made money selling the USD CHF. But I was certain that the price would head to what I consider to be the key pivot on any chart, and that's the weekly pivot. Why people do not trade weekly pivots, why people don't have weekly pivots on their charts is absolutely beyond me. The beauty of pivots is that the start of the week, you know exactly where you're trading at. It's got predetermined trading levels that you can look at. So for example, on a Monday you can see where WR1 pivot is, look at your charts, see whether anything matches on the charts for resistance. Is there any resistance in the same area? And as you can see here, we do have an area of interest. So if you've got an area of interest that coincides with the pivot area, there's a very good chance you're going to get a short opportunity. So I went short at WR1, and this trade now has progressed. It's what's it made so far? We are 60 pips up. We're heading for the moving average, I think. Almost certain to head down here, and then when we get here, we'll see whether the price bounces. I noticed on this time frame, on the D1 time frame, that the 23.6 Fibonacci, I mean it's quite a distance away at the moment. Yeah, it's 200 pips away. Signs are possibly the price, I mean the price is heading back up here, but it could be weeks or even months away. More likely is we're going to get a retrace back to this level where there's some support here, strong support there. We can put a line in there, actually put a line in there. So that's where we're looking at over the next few days and few weeks. That's if it can get past the 200 EMA. So I'll keep watching this trade, and I'll post an update on this trade in due course. Okay, this is a video on the power of pivots, I suppose you could call it. This video brought to you by my Discipline Indicator, an indicator that is free to anyone who wants it. Now, I'm just looking at the indicator, and I'm noticing that we did have a 3-star signal on EORJPY. We're back on 1 star now, but it's still worthwhile looking at to see what's going on here. and you can see at a glance that the price has moved steadily all week up to WR1 and is now reversing at WR1. If we look at a clearer view of this, we can see that this hourly candle is clearly heading down. The MAs, these are the EMAs, they're crossing over. This is a good place to sell. So I'm going to sell here, and I'm going to put my stop above the high. So we've got 23 pip stop, well within the range of the account. Let's see what happens to it, and I'll come back to this trade in due course.